everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and I just got my February base box for February 2022 and I'm so excited to share with you. So I do get BOXYCHARM every month. I get the premium and the base box, and then when we get the luxe, I get that as well, and I share it as soon as I get the boxes. So I would love for you to subscribe if you're interested in seeing BOXYCHARM videos. But anyways, let's get into the video. The first product is something I chose. It is the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette, which retails for $40, and this is a new launch. I think the packaging is really pretty. Unfortunately, I didn't get to try any of these products because I just finished my makeup and I went to check my mail and it literally just came like 5 minutes ago. So I didn't try anything, but it is really pretty. It looks really intense. I want to do a couple swatches. They do look really intense. Yep. And then the bottom row is radiant, gleaming, and beaming. They feel soft and buttery. Watch them over here. Yes, definitely look intense. They don't look glitter, like have glitter flecks in them. From what I could tell, they look pretty. So I'm excited about that. The next product I got is from Teeny Blends. This is the Green Tea Detox Mask, which retails for $29.99. So I've heard of Teeny Blends. I know they do that detox tea that everyone, says it's kind of like a scam. So I don't know about this brand. I know they do a lot of a lot of people are heavily sponsored. But, I mean, to get in a BOXYCHARM, I don't mind trying it. I'm just going to open it and smell it because it says it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. So here's what it looks like. I could smell the matcha and a little bit of lemon. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll try it. I probably wouldn't have gone out of my way to purchase this, but I don't mind getting it. Third product is the Wander Beauty Wanderlust Escape Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $42. I did see a lot of people get this in past BOXYCHARMs recently. So yeah, now I guess it was just my turn to get it. It does look really pretty. The packaging, it's cardboard. I love the picture. It looks like a vacation, like Hawaii or something, really pretty. And this palette does have a mirror. And here are the shades. It's just a neutral palette with a pop of blue, and it has a pink in it. It looks pretty. It looks like everyday wearable. I'm gonna just swatch it. Here's the matte. The matte looks nice. I did have highlighter, and the shimmer seems good too. So I'm sure it's a great palette. I know I have a million neutral palettes, but it looks pretty, and I don't mind getting it. The fourth product is from Illamasqua. It's a Hydra Setting Spray, which retails for $26. I'll spray this real quick. I always like getting setting sprays in my BOXYCHARM so I don't have to go out and buy them. I don't think I bought a setting spray in forever. I know we are buying the box ultimately, but I don't have to, you know what I mean. Okay, I'll just spray this real quick. It's an intense sprayer. Soaked my face. It says it's a hydrating setting spray, so I don't know. I'll see how it sets down on my face. And the fifth product and the last product in my box is the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub, which retails for $23. And this says it's a new launch as well. And I remember getting a lip balm from this brand, and I actually like that lip balm. So here's the lip scrub. Definitely smells like pineapple. If you don't like pineapple, you won't like this, but I do. And it's definitely a, gritty sugar scrub. I'm getting highlighter all in it. Ugh. It's a gritty sugar scrub. It looks nice. So I don't mind getting this. Actually, the box, I was expecting to get a disappointing box for base box this month, but actually I think it's not that bad. I think it's a pretty decent box, and I'm pretty happy with it. The total value of my box is $160. And here's the code right here. I will put the code in the description box in case you're interested. And I also want to thank everyone who came to my BOXYCHARM premium video. That video blew up for me. I'm lucky if I get 100 views on my BOXYCHARM videos, and that was amazing. I just want to thank everybody so much. And yeah, that was just awesome. Little old me getting over 1,000 views in a BOXYCHARM video is crazy for me, but thank you guys so much, and thank you for everyone who subscribed. I so appreciate it, and I promise I will get my BOXYCHARM videos out as soon as possible. And also, I do have a TikTok, which I don't post on often, but I do post when I get my BOXYCHARM videos. If you like that style where you just see the product real quick, I'll share that down below as well. But okay guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.